Well, we've got a beautiful partnership that we have with the Department of Home Affairs. In fact, about 2 years ago, I think myself and Deputy Minister of Home Affairs, we went to Lembe district, and we were going to open one of their offices there, but also indicate and conscientize mothers that this service is available. So where we don't have home affairs offices in a hospital, home affairs officials actually come to hospitals and register mothers. We really beg mothers to take up that opportunity and register their children, because as you know, your birth certificate is your ticket to everything in life. Some children are unable to even register in schools because they don't have birth certificates, and government has seen it fit to make this process easier so that new mothers don't have to go and stand in queues in Home Affairs, but Home Affairs comes to them and register them while they are sleeping in their bed. So we are requesting mothers to actually utilize this facility. Now, if you are in a hospital that actually has a Home Affairs office, then you can use that facility as well. And what is good about those offices is that even if you had given birth 2, 3 days, 4 days before, you are still able to come back to that office and still register your child with the Home Affairs there. So we are begging mothers to make sure that their children are indeed registered.
Thank you.